You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and as you see by the thumbnail, I am about to make me some zero sugar brownies. So I'm gonna make 2 boxes, but right now I'm just gonna mix up 1 box. And I got a sweet tooth, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. And I'm gonna do it in my toaster oven. So I have my toaster oven heating up. All right, guys, so it says you need 1/3 cup of oil, but I am going to use butter, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 egg. So let me get all these ingredients together. So I like to grease my pan with a little butter. And since, like I said, I'm watching my sugar intake and everything, butter is better for me. If y'all go back and look at them videos, I showed y'all how I have been losing weight, and I have lowered my A1C. I just came from the doctor. So we got our little bowl here. One of the things they want you to do is have some the oil. And like I said, since I'm using butter, I am going to use 1/3. This measuring things on right here. So I am going to use 1/3 butter. And while I'm getting these ingredients together, I'm just going to melt this down in my microwave. So let's just get this to melting. Put that in the microwave. All right, so let's open up the pack. Comes like that. And I'm gonna have to make 2 boxes of this, guys. Right now I'm just gonna make 1 and show you how you prepare it, because my son loves these things, and I won't have a chance to have none of this stuff, and he just inhales everything. So that's that. They want you to do 1 egg, so we got 1 egg. And then they want you to have 3 tablespoons. They want you to have 3 tablespoons of water. So 1 tablespoon, 1, 2, 3. That's a teaspoon. So 3 teaspoons make 1 tablespoon. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so remember that 3 teaspoons make 1 tablespoon. Our butter is melted. Our butter is melted, so we're going to pour that butter in there. And now we just got to get to stirring, guys. Now this stuff will get so thick on you, even with the little ingredients that they tell you to use, it gets really, really thick. So sometimes I try to soften mine up a little bit. See, it gets hard to even stir, you know. Look at that. It gets really thick and hard to stir. So I'm just going to put a little bit more water in it just to loosen it up so I can stir it. So guys, while I'm stirring this up, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and guys, share this. Especially if you know someone that's trying to lose weight, or someone who got pre-diabetes or diabetes. And I told y'all in another video that even if you lower your sugar intake, you will lose weight. So, like I said, I have lost weight, and I have lowered my A1C. So, see how it just smoothed out for me? So, what I am doing, I am just going to put this in this pan here, my pre-buttered pan. And believe it or not, guys, I'd be cooking these treats in my toaster oven. When you get your box, it's going to tell you, and I'm going to show you, it's going to tell you how long to cook it depending on what type of pan you use to cook it in, whether it's glass, square, round. You know, it's going to tell you how long to cook it. I usually cook mine for like 25 to 30 minutes. Then, because it's so thick, guys, because it's so thick, I just like to spread it out in a pan. Okay. Let me get something. Okay. These are delicious. These are delicious. And they got them in cake and brownies and all type of stuff that you can bake. Okay, so I have my toaster oven over here getting preheated. And let's go pop this in the toaster oven. Pop that in the toaster oven. All right, guys, so when you are baking your brownies or your muffins, because you can make muffins with this as well, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. But on the back of it, it tells you what ingredients you need. It tells you how to bake it and whatever size pan you're going to use. So if you're going to use a glass pan or 8x8 pan or whatever like that, it also tells you how long and what degrees to cook it on. So everything that you need to know is on the back of this box, okay? Now, stay tuned, guys, because I have a shocker for you. I think you're going to like it too. All right, guys, so this is the second batch of brownies that I will be making, but I'm going to make them a different way. So we have already mixed it up. Showed you how to do that already. This time we're going to make like cupcakes, okay? So I have my little cupcake little things here. And only thing I am going to do is put them in the cupcake holder, okay? Now, because we have the paper, we don't need to grease this pan. We just need to put the holders in there. Okay. And let me see, I like to use my ice cream scooper, because you're not going to fill this all the way to the top as far as, you know, your little paper cup. You're not going to fill it to the top. Look at that. I left enough room so that even if it rises, it won't go beyond, you know, the cup. There we are. Now it's time to put it in the toaster oven. All right, guys, this is good timing because I'm only going to leave it in for 30 minutes. Right now, it is 6:45, so I know at 7:15, I can take these out. So this is perfect timing. And I have 2 shelves that goes in my toaster oven. And that'll allow me to bake both of them at the same time. So we will be back when those finish cooking. And I will show you a surprise ending. Alright guys, I have my toothpick here and I'm just going to use that to check to see if the brownies are done. I know they're not, but this toothpick will let me know how much longer I have. So I'm just going to poke it. It's still brown on the tip of the toothpick, so I know I got another maybe 15-20 minutes for these brownies to cook. So guys, I want to thank you for coming by here, watching my videos, and supporting my channel. You guys are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing, guys, so thank you. So I'm here turning off the toaster oven because both of these should be done by now. Look how beautiful the brownies look. So we have those done, and well, those up there are the cupcakes. These are the brownies. So guys, like I told you earlier, I have a surprise for you. So we're going to see what that is. All right, guys. Well, I am done making the brownies and the tray of brownies right here. But the surprise that I have for you guys is this. Let me show you the surprise I have. 0 sugar chocolate fudge. Now, I'm going to tell you, if you don't let your family know that this is 0 sugar, they will never know. They will never know. So, the only thing that I am going to do, I don't know if I should do all of it or should I just do the cupcakes. I am going to just do the frosting on the cupcakes. All right, guys, so I am about to icing the cupcake brownies, and I love the fact that they're open in the top because this icing will melt down right into the middle of them. Now remember, guys, I told you you can use chocolate chips or peanuts to put into your mix and make it even more special. So I'm just going to put the chocolate in the middle. I have my tea over here waiting for me. So I am going to have tea with mine. But this will, guys, I'm telling you right now, this will hit the spot. And with my son in the house, nothing lasts. Nothing. That's why I had to make 2 boxes. So guys, thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. I hope this gave you a good idea on some of the choices that you have, especially if you're trying to lose weight. You can do the 0 sugar brownies and the 0 sugar frosting. And like I said, I just came from the doctor. I have lowered my A1C and I have lost weight, guys. So guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.